Hello everybody! On today's video I'm showing you how I replaced the carburetor gasket of my Virago 125. And here we go. I just removed the intake pipe. So again, there is a lot of unscrewing here. So after unscrewing everything, I managed finally to open the carburetor. And here we go. Now the carburetor finally open. I will do what I am here to do. Oh, look at this faulty gasket. I had to replace it. Wait, I have something here. I just received it yesterday. What is it? Oh, a new gasket. So now I'll put it in replacement of the other. Look at this. It fits totally good. Wow, I'm just amazed. I love this part. That's great. And look how happy I am. I finally did it. Yeah. And now it's time to remount everything's back. A lot of work. You don't have to see all this work, so I just cut the video, and now as you see, the work is finished. Yeah. I remember this. We don't need this anymore. And this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.